good? What's up? Today's moving day. You heard me right. Moving day.
All aboard, all aboard. We're not frightened for things where we know we can't afford. If we want it, do it. We are hustle on the road.
So, see, I don't look as garbage as I did this morning. Still look like garbage. Alright, I still do. But I'm out. It's really early. Boy, it's early. I woke up like at 7 o'clock. I got ready. So now I'm just taking care of the little things, like getting a U-Haul and all of that. But I'm so excited! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, so now I'm in the U-Haul. Girl! Nigga! I'm finna try this bitch. And I just don't know. Woo! I got insurance on it because I was the one driving it. If it was like my boyfriend driving it, then shit, I don't need no goddamn insurance because I'm sure he could drive because he's done it every time I got a U-Haul. But me bitch. Oh no. So, I'm scared. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Recall. What the fuck? I thought you like press it down. Bruh. Who told me? They just rent these shits to anybody because I can't. What is this? I had to pull this. Look. Okay. This goes down like that. It comes back up. Hey! We getting here. We getting somewhere.
In a lemonade, pharmacy knowing my name. Up there because she bougie. She took my dick in a movie. Trap jumping like 2-3. She a foreign real free. My bitch was born in the beast. I don't need him. Put a drop top with a gator. 2-seater. New performance in my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about bands. Hop over jet to a check when I land. My bitch was born in the beast.
Not doing shit. Whoa. Whoa.
Speed racing head ass. Y'all don't know the struggle. And his dumb ass. Get the smaller truck. Everything gon' fit.
It did fit.
Nigga! You know I have a whole table. And it was like, okay, get it closed. This chair, I want to see that chair. I was about to say I want to see that chair close in there because I was like, that shit not finna close. You gotta push it. Oh, shit. Hold this.
Don't break the wood. Oh shit.
Wait. What? You trying to give me cancer?
Oh sorry. It was right there. Sorry. Oh, you're lucky. You're lucky I killed it. I think.
I could have been the next spider bitch. What you talking about?
Yes.
See that? See that? Go there. Go there. Wait there. It close.
There it
There
is.
it is. We better.
You put now. There you
Yay. Okay. All right. Get
Oh
your
my
work.
gosh.
What?
Oh, what this?
Justin, what my fee?
I am.
No, just put it in the front.
Na 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 na, life sweet. Na 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 na, life sweet. Na 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 na, life sweet. Na 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 na, life sweet.
Wait, hold on. I gotta get to the introduction off the baby. Don't be rushing it, baby. Go ahead, give me some bananas, baby. Go ahead. I'm listening to it.
Welcome to your new
Oh
home.
my God,
Look
thank you.
what-
Thank you.
That's music.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Hazel back in the building. How you feeling, man? is a very special day. My bitch got her key. Hold on. I got my key. So we're gonna go ahead and do my house tour. It's an empty house tour right now. So, welcome, welcome. Don't mind the new carpet smell. They're new. So when you walk in, that will be the hallway. And this is my big ass living room. And I have a big ass veranda if you just want to take a step outside. Let's go out if I can find it. Hold on. Okay. Ooh. Oh shit. Okay. Alright. Okay. As you can see, big, nice, open windows. You know, I like my freshness. And if you step out to this veranda here, you have your view. And what are we looking at? This big ass tree. The pool is right there. And ew. Yes. Let's go into the guest bedroom. This is just a little closet for whatever. Now this is the guest bedroom. It's a nice little size. I feel like their view is a little bit better than mine because they get to see exactly into the pool, which is really nice to me. Okay, and then now we're going to go in the bathroom. Stay right there. Okay, you can come in now. And this is where my guests will be taking a shit. This is where they'll be washing their balls at. You know. And it flushes. Okay? Now, let's go to the dining room, which is a nice, lovely space. It could fit a table of 6, but we're not gonna do that because I don't want your motherfuckers at my house. You know. Okay, now here, welcome to the master. We got light for washing machine, dryer. Yep. This is the linen closet. Let's just oh shit.
No linen.
Well, no linen. It's nothing. It's empty. And then we have our bathroom. And this is where I'll be taking a shit at. Just divine. Okay, and then we have our big ass tub. I'm gonna change that shower head. No jets, that's fine. Big ass mirror. I like that. These nice ass light bulbs, you dig? Okay, now let's go to my bedroom, bitch. I got some nice little lights up there that might get changed. A little, I like that. Okay, so this would be my view. I have the leasing office is right there, and that's the pool. But it doesn't look bad. It just looks like there's a house in front of there, so that's fine. And this is my room. The carpets look a little darker in here. That's all right. We showed you the fixtures, and this is my little ass closet. This ain't gonna work for too long, but it's gonna work for right now, you dig? All right, now let's go back to the living room, bitches. And let's go to the kitchen. The kitchen isn't that fancy to me. I would like a more modern kitchen, but we went back in the day with this 1958 looking ass stove, and that's okay. I got a Whirlpool. Okay. We're not even gonna go in there. The fridge is empty, like the rest of the apartment, empty. Oh, we got ice. Oh shit. We got ice. We want some ice. We got ice. Okay, but that's it for right now. Let's go back to the living room so I can do my outro. So now, bitches, now y'all know what I got going on. I'm not wasting no more time. You dig? Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Follow your girl Hazel at Black Roses on Instagram. And all, and all them other places too. It'll be all in the link below. But yeah, y'all can leave now. Them, come. All right, time to go. Let's go. You've been here too long. All right, see you now. You have a good one. All right, bye, bitch.
This whole experience just has been a big blessing, and I wake up every morning and go to bed every night thanking Jehovah God that I am blessed with my family, just being able to come to my own spot and these new beginnings that we're having and just sharing a good time with family and friends. It has all been a blessing, and I'm just so happy right
Come
now.
on, ready? 1, 2, 3. Good looks, prosperity, and big blessings. Yes, go.
Yeah,
Come on, let's go.
Okay. Wait, Shay.